Greetings. This is a follow-up video for our last tutorial where we took our T-Rex on a vacation. In that video, we set up a T-Rex character sprite to tell us something. In this case, that it wanted to go to the beach. In this video, we are introducing variables to create more depth to your game and to add more features to your character. To review the steps from our last video, the game was initially set up to have a character say a timed message saying that it wanted to visit the beach. In response, we, the player, click a Start Vacation button, and when it is clicked, to broadcast a message that we called Vacation Time. So by clicking Start Vacation Time, the dino switches into the next phase. Let's check it out here. So if we hit our green flag, our dinosaur tells us its message, and then we start our vacation. Look at that. It switches into a different costume for our T-Rex. You can see here in the costume tab. And it switches the backdrop, which you can see here to the bottom right. Now from here, our next steps will be to add the variables. Variables are how we add features and the specific traits of our character. In our case, our T-Rex needs to sun itself while on vacation at the beach. So we will first create our sunlight variable in the variables tab. Here, the orange variable tab, we can click make a variable, and we'll call it sunlight. Now make sure you have selected for all sprites because we will be using this for our other buttons in addition to our T-Rex dino. Hit OK. And then we can begin dragging blocks directly to this When I Receive Vacation Time tab. So first, we want to show our variable. So drag the show variable block and set it to sunlight. And then we can set the number of our variable. So we can set the sunlight variable to 100. And now that we've shown our variable here, it appears at the top of our game. So in addition to this, drag a hide variable block to the very top under the green flag, as this makes the variable hidden until the broadcasted message is received. Just make sure to set it to sunlight. Now that we have this, we need to now have the sunlight variable count down. So to do this, go to Control, grab a forever loop, and add it to the bottom of our code under the Set Sunlight Variable tab. Then, still in Control, at the top here, drag the wait 1 second block, and then we can change the variable as well here. Make sure that's all in the forever loop. So for every second, we want to change the sunlight variable by -1. That'll make sure that the number decreases in value. So let's try it out. Here, if we hit our green flag, starts from the very beginning screen. Then we hit Start Vacation. Great. Now it starts there and counts down. So to finish this step, click our Start Vacation button and add a hide block to when the sprite is clicked. This will clear our screen of any buttons used previously. Now when our game portion starts, our sunlight variable begins counting down. But now we need a display button so our T-Rex can regain its lost sunlight. Here at the bottom right, we made a sprite button that says lay in the sun. So if we go to this sprite's code, go to events, and drag a when I receive vacation time block. In looks, we'll show the button and connect it to the bottom of that. Then let's add our last when this sprite block, or when the sprite is clicked block, from events, and we can finally change the sunlight variable. Well, let's do by about 20. Now, every time we click the button, it will add sunlight to our counter up here at the top. Let's try it all out. So, now that we have it in full screen, we have our game start. It goes and runs its message, and when we click Start Vacation, it goes to the beach. The sunlight counter immediately begins counting, and when we go ahead and click our Lay in the Sun button, it increases the amount so it doesn't run out. Now you can do this for as many times as you want for your own different variables and buttons. Use this process to create more depth to your game and character. Thanks for watching.